Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube link from Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your Facebook app. And as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Click on your menu at the below right corner. And before you do anything, go ahead and just make sure that the Facebook app is updated to the latest version through your App Store or Google Play. With that being said, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna see right here two options, add to story and edit profile. Click on it, and as you can see right here, you will see profile picture and avatar, and you can change it from here. Scroll a little bit down, you will see the last option at the down. You're gonna see links, and you're gonna see the socials, and I already added one social, which is the Spotify. I'm gonna just click edit, and I'm gonna see right here if I add social link or click add social link. You're gonna just choose the platform and choose YouTube, for example. Add the username of your YouTube. And basically, after you add it, you will see the icon of Spotify, same old or same typical thing for YouTube as well. And after, if you want to delete it, just go ahead and hit delete and basically hit save at the top right to apply the settings, and that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.